Checking your account balance on Huntington Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your financial information. Step 1. Visit the Huntington Bank website. Open your web browser and go to the official Huntington Bank website. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click on the login button to access your online banking account. Step 3. Navigate to account summary. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select your account. From the list of accounts displayed, choose the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This will take you to the account details page. Step 5. View your balance. Your account balance will be prominently displayed on the account details page. Review the information and log out when you are finished. Now you can easily check your account balance whenever you need to.